ManyChat Chatbot Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of ManyChat Chatbot. In today's video, I'm going to share my experience with this popular chatbot platform. If you want to explore it yourself, I've included the links to the product in the description below. ManyChat is a powerful and user-friendly chatbot platform designed to help businesses automate their customer communication. It's particularly popular for businesses using Facebook Messenger, but it also integrates with SMS, email, and other messaging platforms, making it versatile for various customer interaction channels. One of the features that sets ManyChat apart is its ease of use. The platform is designed with non-technical users in mind, offering an intuitive drag-and-drop builder that allows you to create chatbots without any coding skills. This means you can set up automated workflows, lead generation funnels, and even e-commerce interactions with minimal effort. You can build a chatbot from scratch or use pre-built templates for common use cases like customer support, lead nurturing, or even sales. ManyChat's integration with Facebook Messenger is its most prominent feature, but it doesn't stop there. The platform also supports SMS, email, and Instagram direct messages, enabling businesses to reach customers across multiple channels from one place. This cross-channel functionality helps streamline communication and ensures that you can engage with customers wherever they prefer to interact. Another standout feature is ManyChat's automation capabilities. You can create automated sequences that nurture leads, answer questions, or provide product recommendations. The platform also supports personalized communication, where you can address users by their first name or offer tailored messages based on their interests. This makes the interaction feel more human and less robotic, increasing customer engagement. In terms of analytics, ManyChat provides detailed reports and insights on how your chatbot is performing. You can track key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and overall engagement, which helps optimize your chatbot's performance over time. While ManyChat offers a free plan, it's the Pro plan that unlocks the more advanced features like SMS marketing, advanced automation, and email sequences. The pricing is reasonable, especially considering the value you get from the platform. In conclusion, ManyChat is a fantastic choice for businesses looking to streamline their customer communication, generate leads, and automate their workflows. Its ease of use, cross-channel support, and robust features make it suitable for businesses of all sizes. Check out the links in the description and start transforming your customer interactions with ManyChat today.